And just like that, Mike was able to kill all 4 of those trucks using the RII. Now that we have these safety systems checked, we're going to go through today's show order. We have 3 major monster truck contests scheduled for today's performance. Our first contest is the 2-Wheel Skills Challenge. This is where each one of these monster trucks will come out on today's course and have 2 hits each to throw down their best trick in the 2 Wheels Challenge. In our last night's show, the rookie driver, just 14 years of age, Faith Creed, took home her first ever win in a monster truck contest. It was quite incredible, and she's going to be coming out hot, trying to make it a back-to-back 2-Wheel Skills Challenge championship. She's going to have some heavy hitters behind her between her father, Mr. Shane Creed in Dysfunctional, as well as our defending champion. That's right, Devin Wheeler in Ballistic. This truck can throw down. We got these guys set and they're ready to rock and roll. Let's give a big wave and send off to the Miami-Dade Fire Crew.
Johnny. Johnny grabbed my leg. Yeah.
All right, fans, we need your help to get those trucks fired back up. Let's get that countdown started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.